We turn off the machine, disconnect the dryer from the power supply, and open the drying cover. We locate the power connector of the tube that needs to be replaced, loosen the screw, and disconnect the cable. We also disconnect the cable from the other end. Carefully, we lift the tube to release it from the clip. Now we install the new tube. We align it properly and snap it into the clip to secure it. We connect the power cables and tighten the screws to secure them.